Hi Cromer Wildcats. I have another project this week for you to try. It's a good way to get outside, get some fresh air, get a little exercise, and have fun with a project that you can do with things that you have sitting around the house. So let's go inside and I'll show you how to make a parachute. So what I gathered here was a plastic, actually trash bag, and you can use a grocery bag. It's up to you as far as what size you want to make this, but you want to cut the plastic into a square. Got scissors. I already pre-cut 8 pieces of string. The washers, you could use anything for weight, but I just grabbed some washers to use for weight. And then I took a bottle cap from a water bottle and punched 8 holes in it. And this is to keep the strings separated. So once you get your square cut, you want to take it and fold it once. And then fold it twice. So you have a smaller square. And then make sure you take the sides that are not folded. See how they're open here? There's 4 layers there. So you want to take that side and fold it again. It looks like a triangle. And then you could fold it one more time, like so. Now this is where I say it kind of looks like you want to make an ice cream cone out of it. So I'm going to take my scissors and starting about right here, I'm going to cut it into an arc. Just kind of give it a rounded top. So it looks like so. And then when I unfold it, you should have a round piece of plastic that'll be my future parachute. Okay, now that I've got the parachute, if I look at the lines where I folded it, makes a cross or a plus sign. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to poke holes at each end of the cross. Don't go all the way to the end because just in case the hole tears a little bit, you want to leave a little extra room. So I'm going to put one on each end of the plus sign. And then in between the two, I'll find the middle and put one there, and there, and there, and there. I'll do that all the way around 8 times. Okay, now I'm going to take my strings one by one, and I'm going to thread it through each hole. And then tie a knot. And I will do that for each string around the parachute so that I have 8 strings. Look like that. And I'll do it 8 times all the way around. So as you can see, I got all the strings, all 8 strings attached. Now this is optional. I just came up with this idea to try to keep the strings separated so they don't get twisted upon each other. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each string and thread it through this bottle cap. That'll be the next step. So once I have all 8 strings threaded through my bottle cap, it's going to look like this. Then the final step is I'm going to run all the strings through this washer and tie a knot, and then once it's tied, it'll look like that. So this is what the final project will look like when it's completed. And now we're going to take it outside and give it a test.
Okay, so we're ready to give it a test flight. I'm going to pull the middle of the parachute canopy like this. And I'm going to fold it a couple times. And then I'll wrap the strings around the little package. And I'm going to go up on the hill, give it a toss, and see how it works. So, what's the takeaway of the parachute project? Number one, you get the satisfaction of making your own parachute. Number two, you get exercise going up and down the hill chasing after the parachute. And number three, you get practice with your overhand throw. So hope you try it and have some fun.